Hi, I'm Dr. Tahir at Youthful Medicine. If you're feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or constantly on the edge, I would like you to explore our four quadrant treatment plan for anxiety. Anxiety is more than just a fleeting emotion. It is your body's way of calling for balance. At Youthful Medicine, we resolve anxiety from its root cause using our comprehensive four quadrant protocol. It is designed based on my 25 years of experience and four board certifications. I'm board certified in integrative medicine with principles of functional medicine. I'm also board certified in internal medicine, rheumatology, and obesity medicine. I focus on performance and anti-aging, and I want you to be best version of yourself. So let's talk about our four quadrant approach to anxiety. The number one quadrant is internal biochemistry, the balancing of hormones and neurotransmitters. We would address those issues by getting some biomarker testing analysis. This would address the imbalances that fuel the anxiety that's happening within you. And these tests are done not your ordinary labs like Quest or maybe LabCorp. These are labs that specialize in biomarker testing for personalized medicine. We'll make sure that these neurotransmitters are addressed on your lab testing, which are part of our Prime membership and Elite membership programs. But if you just come for a consultation, you can pay separately for those tests. We will work with you to find out what the stimulants are, what are the causes that are causing the anxiety, and we'll remove those stimulants. Minimize excess caffeine and other triggers that might be hidden problems like sugar in your diet may be the reason. We'll replenish vital nutrients, B complexes, including folic acid, omega-3 fatty acids, and supplements such as 5-hydroxytryptophan and other natural adaptogens, including holy basil, ashwagandha, lemon balm, and so on. Our next quadrant, the second quadrant, is about the physical body. We will give you targeted exercise plans which are tailored to reduce your stress and cortisol levels. We also focus on mind and body movements such as Tai Chi, yoga, and restorative practices. And if you want, you can even join me for a yoga class. Our third quadrant focuses on mind and emotions, the balance between the both. We focus that through collaboration with therapists, which can provide cognitive behavioral therapy techniques called CBT, and these techniques help reframe the anxious thoughts that might be the contributors to your poor mental health. We also suggest and guide individuals interested in meditation and journaling, which do help significantly. We want to release this pent-up stress and emotions and bring them to surface and also help you the tools to resolve. Our fourth quadrant is lifestyle and environmental focused quadrant. In this, we want to make sure that your sleep hygiene is reset. We can restore your sleep. 8 hours of sleep is a must. This is where your body growth hormone releases, where the cortisol and hypothalamic pituitary axis is all set together. And this is important for cycles, these sleep cycles for calmer mind. We want to make sure that we introduce what we call the tech hygiene or digital detox. They help manage your stress. And this overstimulation could be calmed down. Of course, you can stay on social media, but we want to set boundaries. Our personalized nutrition plan will be made specifically to your needs, to your body composition analysis, as well as your lab testing. Nutrition fuels the body, and we want the nutrition that actually helps you maintain and achieve mental clarity. So, just to let you know that you deserve more than just a temporary fix or a prescription. When prescriptions are ready and needed, we will be helping you achieve pharmacologic treatment options as well. But our plan is a 4-quadrant plan, and medications are usually only one aspect of the treatment. We want to transform your life so that you can be the best version of yourself. I hope you will give Youthful Medicine the chance to treat you and give you the best chance of vitality and longevity.